Today we're introducing the 5 basic positions of the feet in ballet. In all 5 positions, we have our arches lifted up, the weight placement in the front of the foot, and the toes pointed outwards. In first position, we have our heels together and our knees pulled up. In second position, we have our heels underneath our hips and both hips facing forwards. In third position, the front heel is attached to the arch of the back foot and both hips are still facing forwards. In fourth position, the front heel is in line with the arch of the back foot, both hips are still facing forwards and the weight placement is central. In fifth position, the front heel is attached to the knuckle of the big toe, both hips are still facing forwards and the knees are pulled up. We're now introducing the 5 basic positions of the arms in ballet. We're starting with bra bar. Bra bar is a long but rounded shape that starts at the shoulders and finishes at the tip of the fingers. The elbows are out to the side and the hands are away from the body. Into first position, the hands are in line with the center of the chest, the elbows are lifted and the shoulders are down. Second position, the arms are forwards of the body, the elbows are lifted and the arms are long. Into third position, the front arm is in line with the center of the chest, the other arm is out to the side, forwards of the body. This position can be done to either side. Into fourth position, the top arm is forwards of the top of the head and the other arm is forwards of the body. This can also be done to either side. Fifth position, both hands are forwards of the top of the head, the elbows are out to the side and the line is long but rounded. These are the 5 basic positions of the arms in ballet. Introducing some basic movements in ballet. We're starting with the demi-plie in first. Demi means half and plie means to bend. This demi-plie has our knees tracking over our little toes, our arches stay lifted and our heels stay into the floor. We're now demonstrating tendus. Tendu means to stretch. We're stretching everything from the top of our hip to the tip of our toes. When we tendu, we want to have our heel lifted to the ceiling. We don't want to let our heel drop to the floor. A tendu to the front should be in line with our nose. When we tendu to the side, the toes should be in line with the toes of the other foot. The heel should still be facing forwards. When we tendu to the back, our heel should be dropped to the floor and just the side of the big toe should be touching the floor. When we tendu to the back, our toes should still be in line with our nose. We're now going to demonstrate demi-point. When we rise to demi-point, we want to make sure that all 5 toes stay in contact with the floor. We want to make sure that we don't rock back when we rise up and create a sickle in our foot. When we rise up, we also want to make sure that our knees stay straight the entire time as we rise and that they stay completely pulled up when we're at the height of the rise. We hope you enjoyed our introduction to classical ballet with Adult Ballet Centre.
We hope to see you in the studio soon and we hope that you can use these videos to practice at home.